Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the SoapUI series, that is creating a REST project. Okay, so now we are going to test an RESTful APIs web service. Last time we did create a SOAP project. Now we are going to create a RESTful project and see how it goes. Okay, so now what I should going to do is I have my own endpoints, that is C2T endpoint, that is a parent company of JS Testing Academy. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to click File, click New REST Project. Okay, I click the new REST project. It asks for an URI. I have my own URI with me. You can also search in internet, right, for REST projects. Okay, for example, one minute. Right, there are a lot of dummy APIs, right? You can use this for testing this right RESTful services. Okay, so I have my own endpoint with me. I'm just using that one. You can use your right search it and you can use it also. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the get method here, get HTTP method of the right my own. Okay, let me copy it and paste the URI. First, I'm pasting the base URI with the domain.in. Okay, next what I'm going to do is, right, I'm going to add the resource. This is a resource, so an endpoint will be splitted into base URI and also the resource. Okay, let me paste the right resource also. I can also add query param also here. Let me just give an right without the query param. You can see, right, you can have the http method. Right, the http method is here. Okay, all the http methods, get, post, put and delete, all the http methods is there. You have an endpoint here, you have a resource here. I can also add query param here. Okay, let me run with get method. Okay, so you can get all the result, right? You can get the response from the server for this right endpoint and the http method. So you have a big list of right response. I can also filter it. For example, I can add the query param here. For example, I can give, I want ID with 729. I'm just giving one value 729. Okay, so I'll close this one. If I run again, right, it's going to filter right the 729. Okay, you can see, right, it's been filtering the 729. It's been filtered. Yeah. Okay, so now this is NWADL. Okay, web application descriptive language. Okay, now I can create this into a test shoot. Okay, for that I need to click generate test shoot. If I click generate test case shoot, right, it will ask one test case for each resource. I'm just giving one test case for each resource. I'm just giving a shoot name here, for example C2TA test shoot. Okay, so I click to C2TA test shoot. The C2TA test shoot will be created here. Okay, with the steps added and the request, the steps added will create. Okay, if we want to run this test shoot, right, I can click run. So it's going to run this shoot and you can get the result also. So you can add multiple test cases, multiple test steps, and we can run this particular shoot for all the four HTTP methods, right? Put, delete, right, update, we can do it, right, and also post also we can do it. Okay, now we can also generate a document also, as we see in the last video. Create documentation to share to the team. You can browse the folder, whatever folder you want. Okay, for sample test I'll create and click OK. So it will generate a documentation also to share the team. Okay, so what is the resource and what is the status code? All right, what is the get request, what is the parameter you pass, right, what is the representation? You can get the documentation also to share to your team. So this is how you can test and rest, right, RESTful API with the help of the SoapUI. Okay, hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you soon in the next part of video. Have a nice day. Bye.